is a Christmas story. Oh, I know it doesn't look much like Christmas now, but that's because our story actually starts several months earlier. My name is Mr. Crumbs, and I am a mouse. A mouse of distinction, I might add. And this is a story of how I came to meet my fine feathered friend Omar, and how he came to meet a certain little girl named Ruby during one wonderful Christmas. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. It all began here, at the edge of this tranquil little pond, with an expectant mother patiently waiting on her nest for the big event. Unfortunately, someone was lurking in the bushes with other plans.
Boo! My egg! My baby! Don't hurt my baby! You horrible thing!
I don't got it, no, my lady.
Look! Baby!
What is it? Is it time? Is it time?
No, I'm just stretching. For heaven's sakes, Drake, why are you so nervous? It's not like you have to drive me to a hospital or anything.
I can't help it. It's a first-time father thing.
Well, I wish you'd just settle down. And stop that pacing. You're driving me crazy.
Oh, my baby. My poor baby. I'll never see you again.
Drake, come through. It's all over. I need some help with these babies. Drake!
Am I a father yet?
Yes, Drake. You passed out when the first one hatched.
What's the matter with the big one? Why didn't it hatch?
Don't ask me. I've got my wings full already.
It's happening, Mildred. It's happening.
Don't faint! Oh, honestly, Drake.
He's big. He's ugly.
didn't get any better for him as summer turned to fall, fall turned to winter, and Christmas was in the air.
I don't care what anybody says. Sliding on this stuff is fun. As fun as swimming in it. Oh, no. Look, Cindy. Here comes that big, fat, geeky brother of yours. Quack! You can't even quack right. Oh, no. He's going to try to escape. Save yourself. Omar's coming. Ah! Oh, no. Look out. Look out, everybody. Where'd Omar go? I don't know. I was too busy watching the others. Man, they really went flying. Why do I have to have a geeky brother? He embarrasses our whole family. It's just not fair. Maybe you could wish him away on the Christmas star. The what? Don't you know anything? Oh, that's right. This is your first Christmas. Yeah. Hey, it's your first Christmas, too. But I'm older. Couple of days. That's older. Besides, I'm bright, so Mama tells me stuff. And she told me at Christmas, which it almost is, you make a wish on the Christmas star, and then the wish you get for Christmas. Really? Of course. See, up there, the brightest one. Go ahead, wish your goofball brother gone. I don't know. It's awfully mean. He'll embarrass you for the rest of your life. Magic Christmas wishing star, I wish my brother Omar was gone. It's as good as done. I feel guilty. It's not really his fault that he's odd. And ugly, and clumsy, and dumb. Ducks. I wish I was gone, too. I wish I could find a new home.
As misfits in our society, they come together at shelters such as these to find a glimmer of Christmas cheer. Those that society has forgotten, those that don't fit in, who are different. Who else do they have during this holiday season but each other? They are still another facet of Christmas in the city.
I could go there, to the city. She said there were people there that didn't fit in, that were different, like me. I can't do that. I'm just a little kid. A little kid that everybody hates. Bunch of hayseed ducks. I don't like them much either. I want to be happy. To find someone who likes me. But how am I going to get there? If you're really a Christmas wishing star, then my wish is for you to find some way for me to go to the city, where I can have some friends. Can I go to the city with you tonight, Dad?
Nope. Got Christmas shopping to do.
I can help.
The shopping I'm doing is for you.
Then I can really help.
Yeah.
Omar was on his way to the big city. A city full of bright lights and people full of Christmas cheer. Except over in my neighborhood, on the wrong side of the tracks. Christmas decoration to be found, and nobody had much to be cheerful about, especially another little runaway, an 8-year-old girl named Ruby. She was frightened of the dirty street she was walking through and had every reason to be.
Are you gonna play that card? I don't think that's...
I can't go in there.
No, she couldn't go in there, but she did need to get out of the cold, and it wasn't long before she discovered the window to the cellar. My private entrance. What in the world? Oh, you miserable bird, you could have gotten me murdered. I shall disconnect you. I will. But first I must assess the situation outside. Stay right where you are. Oh, this is not good. Not good at all.
This place is kind of dirty. Creepy.
No. Don't come this way. She's coming this way. Shh. She'll hear you hurt me.
Well, at least it's warm.
What's a little girl like that doing in a place like this? She's moving in. That's what she's doing. Oh, what a fine little Christmas gift this is. I finally find a decent home, and a human being moves in right next door. I'm trapped like a mouse. The minute I set foot outside, she will see me, shriek, and then attempt to murder me with a broom, or a shovel, or maybe a... Oh, what difference does it make what kind of weapon she uses? I'll still be just as dead. Think.
Big place. Wonder where that shelter thing is that woman was talking about on TV. Maybe it's this way. Hey, watch it! Look out! I'm down here! Ooh, well, at least they can't step on me under here. Such a good idea. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea. be brave. It's awful lonesome here. I mustn't be afraid. I just can't go home.
Poor little thing. What in the world is she doing here? No, none of that. None of that. Feeling sorry for anyone. Sentiment gives way to rash actions, and rash actions can cost a mouse his life. Remember that. I'm on my own. She's on her own. Nothing I can do to help her anyway. At least that wretched dog has stopped barking. Now, if she would just stop crying, I'm not going to get a moment's rest.
This is gonna turn out the way I thought it would. Merry Christmas to me.
Well, at least she's still asleep. Now, if I can just find something to eat and get back home before she wakes up, I'll be set for the day. Fresh snow. Looks like Christmas. Too bad it doesn't feel like Christmas to me.
Excuse me. Could you help me?
How dare you go sneaking up on me? For heaven's sake, you nearly scared me to death. If you had been a carnivore, I dare say you would have scared me to death. You aren't a carnivore, are you?
No, I'm a duck.
You don't look like any duck I've ever seen.
Okay, an ugly duck.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
How come? Everybody else does. Just go away. Nobody wants to help a crummy little duck.
Who feels sorry for himself.
I got good reasons. That's how come I ran away from home.
There appears to be a lot of that going around these days.
See, back on the farm.
Oh, farm boy.
Uh-huh.
Come to the big city to seek fame and fortune. Well, sorry, kid. If I knew how to find that, I wouldn't be living in a cuckoo clock.
But I'm not looking for fame and fortune.
Well, what then?
Something called a homeless shelter, I think.
Homeless shelter?
See, back on the farm, everybody thinks I'm just a big, clumsy, dumb old freak duck. Then I saw this thing on TV, where people go who don't have any friends. People that don't fit in. People like me.
People being the operative word here.
Huh?
I hate to be the bearer of bad tidings at Christmas, me lad, but I strongly doubt they'll be welcoming ducks in there with open arms. Unless you're interested in being Christmas dinner, of course.
What am I gonna do? I wished on the Christmas star to find a new home.
Christmas star?
Hey, maybe I can move in with you.
Now, why in the world would I let you do that?
It could be your Christmas present to me.
Why in the world would I want to give you a Christmas present? I don't even know you.
Oh, I'm Omar.
How do you do? I am Mr. Crumbs. Now, wait a minute. I have enough problems without trying to stuff a duck into a cuckoo clock.
Huh?
So I suggest you run along and... Oh, honestly, I'm getting soft. I shall give you a Christmas present, provided you will give me one in return.
I ain't got nothing.
Oh, but you do. I shall allow you to meet a certain little girl who will probably love and take care of you. You, in return, will promise to keep her from killing me when and if she ever sees me.
It's a deal. Thanks, Crummy.
That's Mr. Crumbs to you, not Crummy. Now, let us proceed.
Yahoo! Who are you? Oh, why, you must be a little duck, aren't you? I'm sorry I screamed, but you made a lot of noise and woke me up. My name is Ruby. What's yours? Too bad ducks can't talk. To people, I mean. Guess you can talk to each other. Get a bunch of ducks together and they'll go quackers. That was a joke. My dad told me. My name's Ruby. Guess I said that already, didn't I? What are you doing here? This is a pretty weird place for a little duck. Pretty weird place for a little girl, too. I'm here because I ran away from home. I had to. I've been pretty lonesome, especially since it's almost Christmas and all. It's pretty awful, but then I guess you wouldn't understand. You do? You didn't run away from home too, did you? Really? So do you have a place to stay? Oh, yes, you do. You can stay with me. We can have a wonderful time. Right now we can have breakfast. I brought some stuff with me. Are you hungry? Well, come on. You can choose corn chips or chocolate chip cookies. I didn't bring any of that junk I don't like. Which do you want? That's good. Now we'll each get what we really want the most. We're going to be such good friends. I just know it. And this place isn't so bad. We can find out. What was that? What's the matter, boy? What are you doing?
What's going on? Hello? Hello? I'm smothering in here!
What's in there? Come on, let me see. Come on, what is it? A mouse! Whoops, sorry. Feisty, isn't he? I got an idea. Wait right here.
You were supposed to protect me.
I tried.
She's going to get somebody to kill me. Kick the pot. Kick the pot! Get me out of here!
I got you a cookie. Oh, where'd he go? There he goes.
Miserable bird!
I bet that's his house. You were trying to hide him. Is he your friend?
That's it. Tell her everything.
Mice are nervous. I know. I had a pet one once. He got loose in the house. Mother bopped him with a broom. Well, we'll leave this here in case he gets hungry. I saw this last night when I was looking around. We can use all this old stuff to decorate for Christmas. Make a wish. That's what you brought me up here for, isn't it? To make a wish. How does a little ducky know about wishing stars? Do you think it really works? Well, then let's try it. But we shouldn't tell each other what our wishes are, or they won't come true. Of course, you couldn't tell me what yours was even if you wanted to. The only thing I wish I could have for Christmas is to be back at home with Mom and Dad again. And that it would be okay. I don't really have a wish. You already made mine come true. But if I had a wish, it could be that Ruby and me would always be together. Well, we'll see. Who knows? Maybe our wishes will both come true. Merry Christmas, Ducky. One of these is loose. If I can find the right one, we might just get them to light up. Hope it isn't burned out. Yay! I did it! It's not as nice as the one we had at home. You think Santa Claus will find us here? Oh, everything will be fine. We'll have a wonderful Christmas. I've even got a little present for you, Ducky. One of these days, I'm going to have to decide on a name for you. Ducky just doesn't make it. I didn't have anything to wrap it with, and it's kind of old. Her name is Sydney. She was mine. Merry Christmas. Take good care of her. She's pretty nice.
Poor kid. She cried herself to sleep again.
I think it's because I didn't get her a Christmas present.
No.
Maybe because she's afraid Santa Claus isn't going to find her.
No, I don't think so.
Well, what?
She's homesick. She misses her mother and father. Little girl like that shouldn't be here. She should be at home. She shouldn't have run away.
She had to.
I don't know. I wondered if she didn't get something mixed up.
I still want to get her a present.
Well, I can't quite see a mouse and a duck waltzing into a toy store with no money.
I'll find something, even if you don't want to help me.
Oh, wait. Wait for me. How do I get myself into these things?
'Cause you're nice. You may be crabby and cranky on the outside, but you're nice on the inside.
And just what kind of Christmas present do you have in mind?
Something good.
Oh, well, that narrows it down.
Hey, I don't know why the boss wanted this Christmas stuff all taken down tonight. It's Christmas Eve and I'm still here working.
Shut up and get the next load.
Well, we tried to find something.
That isn't good enough. Now Ruby's still gonna be sad.
Well, like I said, I think she's unhappy about more than...
Look it over there. Look on top. That star. Ruby said she wanted one for the top of our Christmas tree. That's what I can give her.
It's a thought, but how are you going to get it?
I'll think of something.
That's what I was afraid of.
Pretty tall. Could you boost me up?
Highly unlikely.
Well, maybe I could boost you up.
I'm not going up there.
Oh, come on, Crummy.
No, don't you dare. And stop calling me Crummy.
I'm not tall enough to boost you.
Thank goodness. Heaven only knows what's in that thing. I'm cold. Let's go home.
Here, hold on to this.
What for?
Just hold on tight.
Why? What are you... Why did you do that?
Now you can get to the star and throw it down to me.
The star is way up there. I fell clear down here.
That's what the string is for. I'll pull you up.
There's only one thing wrong with your little plan.
What's that?
I let go of the string.
How come you did that?
I thought it would be fun. Get me out of here.
You sure you don't got hold of the string?
Yes, I'm sure I don't got hold of the string. It's tangled on some coat hangers up there.
Maybe I can climb up it.
What are you doing out there?
Oh, just hanging around.
What are you doing up there?
Trying to get the star for Ruby.
Get me out of here first, then get the stupid star.
I almost got it. Wow! Hello.
Great move, Duck. Now we're both stuck down here.
No, we're not.
Stop throwing me around!
Sorry.
Can you fly out of there?
Well, I can try. I can't do it.
What kind of duck are you anyway?
A little one. What are we gonna do?
Wait a minute. I have an idea. Now, where's the end of that string? Aha! I'm tying a rock to the end of the string. Then I'll throw it to you. You can climb up.
The last time I tried that, the string broke.
Well, unless you have any other ideas.
Ow! You hit me on the head.
Oops. 1,000 pardons. Are you coming?
Yes, I'm coming.
Don't dawdle.
What if it breaks again?
Then you'll fall. Hurry up before a garbage truck comes along and squishes you in its steely jaws.
Okay. This is hard. My wings are tired from trying to fly. I can't do it. It's too hard.
I think I hear that garbage truck.
I made it.
Splendid. Now what are you doing?
I just want to get the star.
I swear, if you fall in again, I'm washing my hands of you.
I made it. I got it. Wow.
Don't fall in. Don't fall in.
Ah!
Don't fall on me either. We will put the merry in Merry Christmas. We will put the happy in Happy New Year. We have found the perfect present for Ruby that will brim with Christmas cheer.
Look. That's Ruby.
I guess it is.
I'll go ask at that house.
She's coming this way. Hide.
Wonder who she is.
Yes? Maybe you can help me. I wondered if maybe you'd seen our little girl. She ran away from home. She left a note. She misunderstood something. And, well, I wondered if maybe you'd seen her.
No. Oh, you poor people. And on Christmas Eve.
Oh, please, keep this. And if you do see her,
I'll keep my eyes open. I promise.
thank you. She hadn't seen her. What did we do? What did we say? How could she ever think we didn't want her? Oh, Richard, what are we going to do?
It's okay. It'll be all right. We'll put up the rest of these posters, and then we'll we'll check back with the police. And then we'll find her, Madeline. We'll find her.
I knew she had it all wrong. Let's go.
Go where?
To get Ruby.
But why?
We've got to somehow let her know about her parents.
I don't want to. Let's pretend we never saw them.
Now hold the phone there, Buster.
What?
Look at those poor people out there. You could listen to them and still go back to Ruby and act like nothing has happened.
I don't care.
You don't care. You don't care that Ruby and her mother and her father, that all of their hearts are breaking?
Ruby was crying because she was worried about Santa Claus.
I don't think so.
Or because I hadn't got her a present. Ruby was my wish from the Christmas star. If she goes home with them, then she won't be with me anymore. That's not fair. I had my wish and it came true.
So you're willing to go back there and give her that pitiful little tree ornament instead of what you know she really needs and wants? To go home with her mother and father. You don't really think she can survive on her own, do you?
She'll have me.
And you'll feed her and clothe her and put a roof over her head.
Well, I could try.
You talk a good Christmas game, but when you come smack up against the true meaning of Christmas, you turn your head. Christmas, in case you've forgotten, is for giving to others. You spent so much time feeling sorry for yourself, you can't even see that anymore. I'm sorry your family didn't love you the way Ruby's parents love her. But just because you couldn't have that is no reason to take it away from someone else. So go on. Give her your little tin trinket. Merry Christmas to you. But don't come looking for me if you get into trouble, because I've had it.
You can stay with me. We can have a wonderful time.
Poor kid. She cried herself to sleep again.
We're going to be such good friends. I just know it.
She's homesick. She misses her mother and father.
Oh, everything will be fine. We'll have a wonderful Christmas.
Little girl like that shouldn't be here. She should be at home. She shouldn't have run away.
I'm so scared. I don't want to be here anymore.
She's homesick. She misses her mother and father.
I just miss my mother and father, that's all.
Little girl like that shouldn't be here. Shouldn't be here. Shouldn't be here. Shouldn't be here.
Wait, Mr. Krabs, please! I'll do it. I don't want to hurt Ruby.
I knew you'd come around.
Who wants this lousy old star anyway?
It's a fine gift. It's just not the finest one you can give.
What'll I do?
Go get Ruby. You've got to get her out here somehow. Out here on the street where they can see each other. And hurry before her mother and father leave.
Okay.
No, Ruby, no, don't
got it all wrong. Don't run away. We love you. The thought of having a new baby in our house without you there to help us love and take care of it is tearing our hearts apart.
You misunderstood, Ruby. We didn't mean the things we said the way you heard them. Honey, we're a family. And no matter what, we will always need each other. And no matter what happens, we must always stay together. We love you.
I don't want us to have to go to the poorhouse.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry I said that. It was just an expression, a silly expression. They don't even have poorhouses anymore. All of us will be just fine, I promise.
Really? Mom? Daddy?
My baby. Oh, I was so afraid I'd never see you again.
I miss you both so much.
Don't ever think we don't love you or don't want you. Ever.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
I'll never ask for another Christmas present as long as I live.
I wonder if this was Ruby's Christmas wish.
I wouldn't be a bit surprised.
I wish that Ruby and me could always be together.
Oh, well, you've still got me.
Thanks. But I can't go home without my duck.
Duck? What duck?
My duck. We've been friends. I haven't named him yet, but you know, he came and got me. He stole my hat and made me chase him out here. He must have known you were here.
Of course, dear.
Well, heck, what's the price of a little duck food?
You mean it?
We've got that little pond out behind the house. I'll bet your friend would be very happy there.
Especially with the new arrivals.
New arrivals? But wait, where is he? Wait! Mom and Dad said you could go home with us. Let's go! Yippee!
Well, it looks as though your Christmas wish is going to come true, too.
Come on, let's go!
Oh, no. They'll let a duck into that car, but I'll wager they'll draw the line at mice.
Then I can hide you under my hat.
It took me all my life to find the splendid little house I have in that clock. I'm even getting rather attached to that infernal cuckoo bird. Besides, I am a mouse of distinction. I need bright lights and the excitement of the city.
Gosh, I'll miss you, Crumbs.
That's Mr. Crumbs to you,
I'll miss you, Mr. Crumbs.
and I shall miss you. But remember, if I am here, then it will give you some place to come on your vacation.
What is that duck doing?
Well, he has to say goodbye to his mouse friend.
Of course he does, dear. Don't you know anything, Richard?
Enough of this emotion. You're smothering me. Let go. Now, hurry, before they go off and leave, and I'm stuck with you.
Goodbye, I'll never forget you.
Nor are you. Now go. Nor are you. The next day at their house in the country, Ruby and her parents shared a wonderful Christmas morning.
What did he say? Well, it wasn't Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, great. Thanks, Mom.
Of course, dear.
Hey, honey, before you get too caught up in that one, there's another one over here with your name on it.
Omar, on the other hand, was beginning to feel a little left out.
Something's wrong. I got my Christmas wish, and I love being here with Ruby, but it's not like I hoped it would be. She has her own family now, and And she needs them a lot more than she needs me. I'm starting to feel like I don't belong again. Maybe I never will. Wonder who that is. Merry Christmas. Hi, do you live here? You're new. We just moved in, our whole family. You got something in your eye? You want to play? My name's Meredith. This is Sonny. He's my brother. You want to play with me? You don't think I'm ugly? If you're ugly, I'm ugly. Because you look just like me. Now, I'm not ugly. I think you're kind of cute. What kind of ducks are you? Ducks? We're not ducks. We're swans. What's a swan? You're a swan. Is your mother a duck? No, she's a swan too. So's my dad. I don't get it. My mother was a duck. My father was a duck. My brothers and sisters were ducks. But I'm a swan. Look at his head. He really looks like us. He's got the funny little spot on his head. The one that Mama says comes from Daddy's side of the family. Who's that? That's my Mama. She's beautiful. You mean I'm gonna grow up to look just like that? I hope not. Mom's a girl.
Hello, children. Who's your handsome new friend?
She called me handsome. Look, Mama, you've got the family curse. The spot.
What? Why, I've never seen a spot like that on anyone but... Oh, my goodness.
What is it, Mama?
I didn't think it could be possible. Somehow my precious little baby has come home to me.
What?
What do you mean? You are my son. A long time ago, you were stolen from me.
I was?
I tried so hard, but I could never find you again.
You mean that guy's my brother that you keep talking about? The one that got lost when he was an egg?
Yes, honey, he is.
You mean I really am a swan?
I never thought I'd get to see your beautiful little face. Yes, darling, you're a swan. Come here. Get to hold you.
Cool! I got a new brother! Oh, yeah. That means I just told my brother I thought he was cute. All this time I thought I was a duck. You'd make one ugly duckling.
But you make a beautiful swan. Oh, this is the most wonderful Christmas present any of us could ever have. Come on, let's go find your father and tell him the wonderful news. And we'll have to introduce you to your other brothers and sisters.
So that's what you meant about the new arrivals.
Uh-huh. They just showed up yesterday. Maybe it was fate.
I don't know about that. I think this is just one year where everybody's Christmas wishes came true.
So Omar and his family and Ruby and her family all joined together to make one big happy family. And believe it or not, this city mouse turned country mouse when later I came to live with them. But, well, that's another story. Merry Christmas, everybody.